Over 80% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 different ways you can save $5,000 in as little as 3 months. Hi guys, my name is Lydia, and on this channel, I teach you how to save, invest, and make more money so you can one day become your own boss. If you enjoy videos like these, do not forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell. That way you will get notified every single time that I post a new video. Let's jump into it. One thing you can do to hit that 5K within 3 months is to start investing. Here's an example. Back in May of this year, I actually bought a few shares of Tesla. At that time, Tesla was only $800 per share. Now we're in August 2020, one share of Tesla is actually $2,200. So if you calculate what I bought it for versus what it's worth now, you can see that I've made quite a nice amount of change on that investment. Just remember that every investment is a risk, and you do need to get financial advice before investing in any service or product. The second thing that you can do in order to hit that 5K within 3 months is to start a side hustle. You can do a rideshare service, sign up for Uber, maybe Lyft. You can also sign up for Amazon FBA. With Amazon FBA, you can actually research a certain product that is in high demand, or even create your own product. Source products from Alibaba and resell them on the Amazon platform. This helps because once you put the work in at the beginning and you actually send your products to Amazon, you actually have passive income. Because once you do the work in the beginning, you do not have to do anything else besides updating and adding more products to your inventory whenever you run out of products. Another side hustle is actually to become a freelancer. You can sign up for Fiverr and market your service. Anything that you're good at doing, go ahead and offer that service on Fiverr so that way you can get more money in your pocket. Create a YouTube channel. You are going to need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time before you can start making money from your videos. Start working from home and become a customer service representative. Arise.com is a wonderful platform for that. They typically pay between $9 and $17 per hour. If none of these side hustles will do the job for you, sign up for more hours at work. The third thing you can do in order to hit that 5K within 3 months is to call your cable service provider and your phone company and let them know that you found another provider that's offering you the same service for a cheaper price. Trust me guys, this works wonders because it's something that I've personally done before, and these people or these companies, they do not want to lose your business. They do not want to lose you as a customer, and so they try to go above and beyond and try to offer you something in order for you to stay with them. Try it guys, it works. Number 4. Cancel any subscription that you're not using. Guys, you need to review your bank statements. If hitting that 5K goal in 3 months is your main goal and your priority, you need to take this serious, and I would encourage you, go ahead and review your bank statements. A lot of times we sign up for various subscriptions that we totally forget because life gets the best of us sometimes. So always cancel the subscriptions that you're not using. Review your bank statements on a monthly basis so you know what exactly you're being charged for. I've heard of a lot of situations where people are just paying every single month and not even using the service. They're also not even aware that they're paying for the service. So please guys, review those bank statements. The fifth thing you can do to hit that 5K goal in as little as 3 months is to actually check your credit score. The reason I say this is simply because if your credit score is way higher today than what it was a few months ago or a few years ago when you took out that mortgage or you financed that car, then obviously you are going to get a way better interest rate, which will significantly decrease your monthly bill. And you'll also be saving a huge chunk of money in the long term. If your credit score has drastically improved, not only can you refinance that car loan or that home loan, but you can also shop around for car insurance. The better your credit score, the cheaper your car insurance will be. Number 6, set a very strict budget. Remember guys, we're on a time crunch. We are trying to save that 5K before the end of 3 months. So we need a strict budget. Track your expenses. What is your income? What amount of money are you bringing in and what amount of money is going out? Set a very tight budget for entertainment because like I said guys, it's only 3 months, so we can put in that sacrifice to get that 5K in our bank account. Research shows that women also spend over $300 per month on their physical appearance. So if you are looking to cut back, ladies, and you're trying to hit that 5K, cut back on that appearance. Get your mani and pedi done at home on a budget, save that 5K, and once you're done with saving that 5K, you can go back to your regular schedule. Another thing that you can do to hit that goal is actually to clean out your closet. Back in January, I listed every single clothing item in my closet that was sitting there and just collecting dust. I listed everything on Poshmark. Guys, if you haven't worn it in a year, you do not need it. Sell it and put some extra money in your pocket so you can hit that 5K goal in as little as 3 months. I made a little over $400 selling all my unused items on Poshmark. Number 8, sign up for direct deposit, guys. With your employer, I would highly recommend you sign up for direct deposit. This way, you can put 80% of your paycheck into your checking account, which will cover bills and general life expenses. The other 20% will go straight to your savings account. And that way, if you build your life around that 80% going in your checking account, you will always have that 20% hitting your savings and you will not even think about it because you're not seeing that money. So try to build your life around a smaller percentage of your salary in order to be able to save, in order to be able to invest, in order to be able to not live paycheck to paycheck. Trust me guys, that strategy works wonders. It's something that I have personally done before in the past and it's worked beautifully. Number 9, this I know that a lot of you guys are gonna have a hard time doing. Another thing that you can do to hit your goal super fast is to meal prep. I'm personally not gonna tell you to just not eat out at all. Set a very tight budget for eating out. Meal planning does not only saves you time, but it saves you a lot of money. Guys, if I were to add up the amount of money that I spend on fast food from January to now, you would be amazed. I want you guys to let me know approximately how much money you spent on fast food in the comments below. I'm sure a lot of you have lost count. Meal planning is a very effective way of saving money and saving you time. You'll be way less tempted if there's food already prepared and in the fridge. Cook once or twice per week. It is way cheaper than eating out every single day. Number 10. I know a lot of us always have cash. Whenever you get those coins, guys, put them in the jar. I remember I would have coins in my car, on my counter, in my shoe, everywhere. It would be everywhere. Now, if you had taken the time out to collect all those coins and put them in a jar, as simple as it might be, guys, trust me, when that adds up, that's money that you could put in your savings account and help you to get to that goal way faster. Collect those coins, guys, because it adds up. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to click that like button if you do enjoy videos like these. I'll see you in my next video.